Hello, it's Sue Maddox from Sue Maddox Paper Crafts here with you today, and I've got a gorgeous thing to show you today. I'm going to take you through for all our planner lovers out there. Let's have a little bit of a look at our Celebration Joining Special. So we have got our mini catalogue, the Christmas catalogue, July to December. It's got all of our Christmas goodies in it. That is just about to start. And along with that, in July and August, we have Celebration, where you've got some free products you can choose with a $90 or $180 order in Australia. And I'm going to show you a little bit more about those in another video, but today I want to share with you the planner. So this is one that you get for free if you join during Celebration. So if you've got $235 of things on your wish list and you'd like to get that for $169, you'll also get this as well, a bonus freebie. So it's just gorgeous. It's got a little magnetic clasp here, beautiful decoration on the front. And then inside, we've got our little pockets for cards and things and a little flap there. This gorgeous little divider one, and another spot you can slip something into the back there, and we've got a little pen holder. So let me show you some of the bits. You can mix and match all of the parts to customize it to however you like to use a planner. So we have the little dividers. So these are nice thick cardstock, lots of different colors there, our little numbered dividers to keep everything organized. We have got, let's have a look over here. We've got our 2022 planning, and then on the back 2023, so a nice little overview calendar there. Let's see our next part. We've got our monthly focus pages. So lots of different ways you could use this. We've got important days, a list of goals, shopping list, remember to, excited about. You could use this for planning. You could also use it for some memory keeping things. Then we've got a double page month to a view here with a little note section down the side. Now this starts from July 2022 and goes through until the end of next year. So it goes right through until December 2023. The back of that little monthly page has, this is where we've got our weekly priorities. So let me just grab the other section of that, which is these ones here. So our weekly priorities. So we can pop in that one here, and we have a week to a view in a sort of notepad style format. A little section here for our weekly goals, and then we flip over, we can pop another one in, so however many weeks we need for that month, and then we zip over to our next month. Okay, so that's what that part looks like. So there's a great huge big stack there of those. We've got a few other pages. Let me just grab them. We've got Creating Purpose. There's a couple of these ones to do some wider goal setting if you like. We've got Values, Passions, Skills and Mission. And then on the back, Aspirations, Habits to Create, Enjoy More of, and Objectives. So some couple of planning sheets there. These ones you can use in a whole range of ways. However it suits. We've got a little checklist there with a couple of columns. We've got a little dot point list there. And then on the back of those ones, there's just some nice grid paper with our lovely little design that matches the front cover. So you can mix and match these types of pages in wherever it suits you. What else do we have? We've got these ones, another format of page, so some note paper at the top, a little blank section there, and then a couple of grade sections there. If you're using your planner for memory keeping, this would be a nice spot to add photos. You could add a little quote. On the back, we've just got some lined paper, so you get quite a big stack of those as well. We've got some stickers. We like little sticker die cut things to pop in. So lots of different designs there. Let me hold that up a little bit closer. Can we see that? Yep. So we've got some little floral bits, some arrows, some banners, airplanes. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Cafes. I'm about to head out on a bike ride with my husband. We're going to have lunch at a cafe. I'm excited about one part of those bits more than the others, I must say. And then here is our next sheet here. We've got events. Some of these work well for if you're a Stampin' Up demonstrator, or you can use the other bits for anyone can use birthdays. Lots of other little pieces there. Let me hold that up a little bit closer so you can have a look at that. So you get 2 sheets of each of these sticker pages, so you can customize and make it a bit personal to you. We also get a stamp set that works well for planning. So all different little things in here. This is a photopolymer set, and I'll give you a little look at all the bits that you've got on there that help you to work well with your planning, goal setting, things like that. I love a good planner. I'm a bit of a planner junkie, I must say. And then we also get 3 little matching notebooks as well. Who doesn't love a nice notebook? Actually, I'm a big collector of notebooks too, I must say. So this one's got lined paper, and this one has dots. Can you see the dots there? And the last one is a blank paper. So 3 little notebooks to match there. So your planner's designed, it won't fit all of that in there at once. You just put in the section that you'd like to carry around with you, and then you can mix and match your other bits, add your other things in as you need them. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of a closer look at that. So that is free if you join during July and August. And then another bonus is you get $235 of things or whatever current products you would like, and you only pay $169. You get free shipping on that as well. So get in touch if you would like a bit more information about that. I will put a link in the description below if you're a big planner fan and you would just love to join my team. We would love to make you welcome. So I can't wait to start getting some nice colour pens out and filling all the pages in. I hope you have enjoyed a little tour through our planner. So that is July and August with Celebration. I'll have another video soon to show you through your free products you can choose with a $90 or $180 order during July and August as well. Lots of exciting things on at the moment. Okay, thanks very much. I'll catch you later. Bye.